Hello, welcome back to my channel Naseyuji. In today's video we are going to make local beer abshera. We measure 5 liters of boiled water, we put it in our bucket, and we measure those kilograms are supposed to be used in 20 liters of water, but we want to make 5 liters of water, so we have to make a quarter of the flour. So we are putting our flour in that water. Keep there, keep watching. Here we have to mix our flour in water. You have to mix, though it will not be thoroughly mixed, but we have to try so that we keep it when it is mixed with water, but is thick and good. After mixing very well, you have to cover with a good lid and keep it for the night. Fermentation took place at night, but the mixture is still somehow sweet for those who like sweet beer, sweet things. So here we are going to taste and see how sweet it is and how concentrated it is. You'll see how it looks like. Hope it is nice. Oh, I cannot wait to taste. I'm waiting. I'm really feeling as if it is the best. We can taste, we can enjoy it. You see, it is good. Please, people, guys, please support my channel. Subscribe, like the video, share. Support me, please. Thank you so much for watching the video.